Hey everyone, welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make really quick and easy strawberry chocolate chip muffins. Since strawberries are in season right now, I recently picked the strawberries myself at a farm. To get started, chop up 1 1/4 cups of strawberries into small pieces. Now add 1 cup of sour cream or plain yogurt to a bowl, along with 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a 3/4 cup of sugar. Whisk until everything is combined. Then sift in 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix this with a spatula until almost combined. Then fold in the strawberries and 2/3 cups of chocolate chips. I'm using mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. As soon as everything is combined, stop mixing. Now add 12 liners to a muffin pan and divide the batter between the muffin cups, filling them 3/4 of the way full. Next, we are going to bake the muffins at 350 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center of a muffin comes out clean. And that's it! These muffins are perfectly moist and full of chocolate and strawberries. One of my favorite muffin flavors for sure. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!
Like and subscribe, please.